Hi SSBeauty, the festive season is in full swing. Whether you're heading to parties or celebrations, today we're going to show you the perfect festive glam look that complements all your outfits. Let's get started. Let's start by prepping the skin to create a dewy, radiant base. I'm using Clinique Moisture Surge for deep hydration. Next, I am applying M.A.C Prep Plus Prime Natural Radiance Base Lumiere all over the face to smooth the skin and add a subtle, luminous glow. To set the base and enhance that fresh finish, I'm spritzing the face with a prep and set glow mist. For foundation, I'm applying a light, even layer all over to create a flawless canvas. Moving on to concealer, I'm focusing under the eyes and on any areas with discoloration. Using a brush, I gently pat the product in to maintain full coverage and achieve a smooth, natural blend without any rubbing. To control shine, I'm setting the areas prone to oiliness with a light dusting of powder, pressing it gently with a brush for a natural matte finish. Next, I'm adding warmth and dimension with bronzer, sweeping it along the cheekbones and the sides of the nose to sculpt and add depth. To finish, I'm dusting a beautiful powder blush across the cheekbones, giving a radiant and healthy flush to the skin. Now for my favorite and arguably the most important part of any festive glam look, the eyes. Starting with a rich brown shade, I gently blend it onto the center of the lids, softly diffusing it into the crease to create warmth and dimension. Next, I press a beautiful shimmer shadow right onto the lids to add a pop of light and sparkle. Now, I'm lining the waterline with a deep kohl pencil to add drama and intensity, perfect for evening glam. You can smudge it slightly for a softer, smokier effect. To open up the eyes even more, I highlight the inner corners with a champagne shimmer. This adds brightness and draws attention to the eyes. Also taking some shadow on the brush to accentuate under the eyes a bit more. Using a small brush to precisely apply. Finishing off with a few coats of mascara on the top and bottom lashes. For lips, festive glam calls for glossy pinks, so I slightly overline with a lip liner and finish pink matte lipstick that's perfect for the occasion. Quick spritz of setting spray locks everything in place while bringing back a fresh, dewy glow. There you have it, the perfect soft yet glamorous M.A.C look. Head to the SSBeauty store to pick up the perfect products for your festive look. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more such tutorials. Bye!